Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Today we have to discuss the topic sound as a wave, model of a sound wave. Beta, you know that when the cone of a loudspeaker vibrates, it moves in and out very quickly, and when it moves in and out, it stretches and squashes the air in front of it. The stretches and squashes spread through the air just like the water waves on a pond when we throw a stone in the water. These sound waves, when reaches our ear, make our eardrum vibrate, and in this way we are able to hear a sound. Next, model of a sound wave. When a loudspeaker squashes the air in front of it, the air molecules are forced close together. This is called compression. And when the loudspeaker stretches the air, the molecules are spread out. This is called rarefaction. Sound waves are a series of compression and rarefaction. Wavelength is the distance between two compression or rarefaction. You can see that in this model we have taken slinky spring, fix one end of the slinky spring, and then we pull the spring and then release. The waves like these are produced in the spring. We can see that here the spring is very close together, it shows compression, and here the spring are very spread out. This area shows the rarefaction, and the distance between two compression or rarefaction is known as wavelength. This is the wavelength of this slinky spring. The waves on the spring and the sound waves are called longitudinal waves. Longitudinal waves mean that their vibration move backward and forward, not up and down like the waves on the sea or ripples in the pond. A sound wave is an example of an oscillation. An oscillation is a regular backward and forward or upward or downward movement. A mass on a spring will oscillate up and down if we pulled it and then release, and in a similar way the child that is taking swing is also showing oscillation movement. Here there is a important information that dogs can hear sound even sounds even that are not audible by the human ear. Next we have to do test yourself. Question number 1. What are sound waves? The answer is sound waves are stretches and squashes of the air spread out from the source of sound. Question number 2. In sound waves, what is the distance between compression called? The answer is on page number 86. It will start from this line. Sound waves are a series of compression and rarefaction. Wavelength is the distance between two compression or rarefaction. This diagram is also included in the answer of question number 2. Question number 3. What is a longitudinal wave? Beta, the answer will start from this line. The wave on a spring and sound waves are called longitudinal waves up to this line. Question number 4. How are sound waves different from the waves in the sea or ripples on the water? The waves on the sea or the ripples on the water are different from the sound waves because sound waves move backward and forward, not upward or downward like the waves on the sea. Sound waves are longitudinal waves, while the waves on the sea or ripples in pond water are transverse waves. Thank you.